Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to delete search history on YouTube. So, you want to delete your search history on YouTube, but you don't know how to do it. I'll show you guys exactly how to delete your search history in this video today. So, you're going to want to be deleting it off of the YouTube app or just a YouTube website, wherever. You'll just completely clear your YouTube searches on your YouTube account. But first things first, you want to head over to the YouTube app. And as you can see, if I click on the search button, it shows a couple of my recent searches. And if you want to, you can just go through here and delete them like this. You slide it to the left, and then a delete option will show up to the right of it. You can just click on that and it will delete the search. But if you have too many searches and you want to delete all of them, then what you are going to want to do, you want to go back to your home screen, or not back to your home screen, but home page on YouTube, and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. It will bring you to this page here. And here you want to look for the option that says Your Data in YouTube. Once you find that option, click on it and it will bring you to this page right here. Browse or delete your YouTube activity and blah 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 blah. So on this page, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for YouTube watch history and YouTube search history, as you can see right here. Once you find it, you're just going to want to click on manage your YouTube search history. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page right here. And here you scroll down and then it'll show you all your YouTube videos that you've watched and all your search history. So to clear the search history, you just go through and find all the searches and you just delete it. And you can also just delete all of your YouTube history as well, all at once if you want to, if you don't want to go through and delete single searches one at a time. And then one more thing that you can do to delete search history is you can actually also click on the search icon in the top, around the middle of the screen at the top. If you click on that, then you'll actually be able to search for any search term, and then it will show all the search history for that word. So let's say I search whatever, then all the search terms that relate to that will show up here, as you can see. So you can also go through this and then just delete all of these as well if you are searching for a specific term. But that is how you delete search history on mobile. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.